Author and business leader Margaret Heffernan once remarked, "For good ideas and true innovation, you need human interaction, conflict, argument, debate." Nevertheless, many of us would rather not engage in conflict, argument, or debate, and maybe even avoid human interaction altogether. We work hard to minimize interpersonal tension, avoid disagreements, and even stay quiet in the face of differences of opinion or perspective. And yet, it happens. And sometimes when it happens big. When that occurs, you'll have some relationship repair to engage in if you want to prevent a similar scenario from repeating itself. Here are 3 things to do after you have a big blow up at work. 1, make a reparation. Offer a genuine apology for your tone of voice and the content of your message, especially if it may be perceived as aggressive, rude, defensive, critical, or condescending. "I'm sorry for what I said and for how I said it. I got angry and I didn't control my temper." That's a simple version. Other language where you take full responsibility and communicate your regret work too. Keep in mind that an apology shouldn't be any version of, "I'm sorry that you are an idiot, don't understand simple logic, made me lose my temper." Blaming the other person for your momentary inability to behave professionally is an unprofessional move. 2, express appreciation. Chances are there's something to be grateful for, even when you're feeling bad about what happened. You might say, "Thank you for staying and listening to me even when I raised my voice." Or, "Thank you for helping us have the conversation we needed to have, even if I didn't behave the way I'd wanted to." Or even, "Thank you for recognizing that I wasn't at my best and for suggesting we take a break and regroup." A little gratitude will go a long way. 3, offer an invitation. Just because the argument might be over doesn't mean that the relationship will immediately bounce back. And just because you may have moved past it doesn't mean that the other person has. Offer a genuine invitation to continue the discussion and hear their perspective, whether it's about the content or the impact that your behavior had. You could start by telling the other person how much you value your working relationship and then ask, "What do you want me to know about how you're feeling?" You might offer, "What do I need to clean up with you in order for us to move forward?" And you could say, "You may not be ready to talk about what happened now, but I'm always open to discussing it with you. Will you please come talk to me when you're ready?" In the words of author David Augsburger, the more we run from conflict, the more it masters us. The more we try to avoid it, the more it controls us. The less we fear conflict, the less it confuses us. The less we deny our differences, the less they divide us.